Welcome back to my channel Honeybees. Today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful basket. I have made this with a pastel sheet. So let's get started. So yes, I have taken one pink color pastel sheet. This I have taken from a regular stationery shop. And we need a scale for this, scissors, some different color papers to make flowers. But I have already made the flowers from the waste paper I have at home. Usually मैं जो भी क्राफ्ट करती हूँ उसके बाद जो पेपर बचते हैं मैं उससे फ्लावर्स या समथिंग कट कर लेती हूँ जो भी मुझे रिक्वायर्ड होता है. We need glue for this. Any kind of glue you can use. If you have glue gun, that is also good. I'm using Fevicol. We need one pencil to mark where we have to cut the paper. We need one marker also. We need stapler to fix the handles of the basket. So let's get started. And now I'm taking pastel sheet. I am folding it into a triangle so that I can get a perfect square shape. Basically, we require triangle shape so that we can fold it again into a triangle. So I will cut the extra paper. I've just folded it to get a perfect triangle. So yes, I'm cutting the paper now with the help of scissors. Cut, 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 cut. So yes, I have got a triangle now. I will be folding it again into a triangle. So let's fold it again. Yes, so I have folded it 2 times and another triangle. Now I have to fold it again into a triangle. Now this is it. We will be marking with the pencil now to get a flower shape cutting firstly for the basket. Now I'll use a pencil to mark where I have to put an arc. I am putting one arc so that I get a flower shape after cutting this paper, this triangle shape. So I'll use scissors for this. Now I have got a flower shape. You can see this beautiful flower shape. Now we have to fold the triangle part of this petal so that we can get the idea that up to what point we have to cut the edges so that we can fix the edges of the basket. So we'll be cutting at around 1.5 inch. So I'm cutting. On some sides I got some more paper, so I'll be putting the cut at around 2 inches. So fold it to get the proper bottom shape of the basket. This helps us to fix all the petal shape. Now fix all these petals of this flower with the help of Fevicol so that we can get a shape of basket. Now I'll be using Fevicol for this. Let's fix it. Stick it nicely. If you want to make it properly fixed and more stable, you can use stapler also for this. But I guess Fevicol also fixed the paper so well. If you are using another thick paper for making this kind of basket, then definitely we would need stapler. Now to make handles of the basket, I am using that extra paper which I cut earlier. I am just taking a strip. I'll be taking 2 strips because this is a bigger basket. If you are making a small basket, then only 1 strip is sufficient. But bigger baskets, it's better to use 2 handles So I am fixing the handles with the help of stapler so that it becomes more stronger and stable. Fixing on both the sides. Now joining the upper part of the handle as well with the help of stapler. So I have joined both the handles properly. Now it's time to decorate the basket with flowers. I already made flowers as I have told you earlier, but I will definitely show you how to make flowers. And now I am showing you how to make a flower. The same way we cut the shape for the basket. We have to take a proper square shape paper, then fold it into a triangle, again into triangle, then again into triangle, put an arc, again same like basket, so cut it. You can use arc shape also and you can use triangle shape also. So here I have put triangle shape. So I got a flower which I have already made. Now what I will do, I made a big flower also for the handle top. So I'll be putting it on the handle top. I'll show you just a second. I am just sticking the handle flower, a big flower on the handle of the basket. So just putting some more flowers. Put flowers on these petals also. Sticking all the yellow flowers because yellow and pink, the combination looks really sweet and beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for some more beautiful art and craft videos and some learning videos. And do tell me, did you like the basket? Yes, so our basket is ready. Do tell me in comments, did you like the basket? And try this basket making at home as well. This is very easy. Children will definitely love it.